It's unclockable. Oh wait, it's unclockable because you can't find it. Don't even act like you can see it, because I know you can't. You're legally blind, and I am too, and that's okay, because that's how we want to be when it comes to these closures. You're not supposed to be able to tell the line of demarcation. You're not supposed to be able to point that closure out right there. You can't point it out, and I'm ever so thankful that you can't point it out. Thank you. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the hair that I'm wearing right now. I have a lot to say about it because I've been wearing it for the past 2 weeks. So this is going to be a very comprehensive review for you guys who have been watching my snaps or just have been keeping up with me on Instagram, and you guys know where this hair has come from. So this hair came from one of my really close Instagram friends. Her name is Monet Hines, and she started her own hair company not too long ago, and the name of her company goes by the Raw Experience. This is the box in which the hair came in, and she sent me 4 bundles of 22 in an 18-inch 5x5 3-part closure, and the hair texture is Raw Cambodian hair for both the closure and the bundles. So this is the hair that I had left that I didn't touch. So out of the 4 bundles, I pretty much used all of it. So this is what's left, and this is the natural texture of the hair. It's kind of like it's like a body wave, but it's not one of the processed textures because this is raw hair. Now take note that raw hair and virgin hair are not the same. Virgin hair has been steam processed to get the different curl patterns that you guys see, like the tight curly, deep wave, stuff like that. Raw hair is literally not processed in any type of form, not even steam processing. Now, even though steam processing is not a chemical procedure, it does not it's really not raw hair. It's not virgin because it has been processed to get the look that you guys are probably seeing in some of these bundles that are being sold. So off the bat, like, she told me that this hair was going to be very different from any other hair that I've experienced or any other hair that I've reviewed, and that has proven to be true. So with 4 bundles of 22 inches, I noticed that this hair is full from top to bottom, like amazingly full. Like, I don't have any see-through ends, anything like that. So I think that's a very important factor when it comes to purchasing bundles, because when you do purchase hair, you want to make sure that over time the hair isn't going to start to shrink and become see-through and stuff like that. So the simple fact that this hair is full from weft to tip is really a plus. So that's one of the first pros that I saw with this hair. Another thing is the 5x5 lace part. The 5x5 lace closure. It is a 3-part closure which I made into a middle part. 5x5 lace closures are super awesome for those who like the wide parting area but don't want to really venture off into frontals. 5x5 closures are definitely great. I bleached the knots on this closure as well, so it looks really natural on my scalp. And I also have a wig cap underneath it. So you guys know the wig cap method when it comes to the frontals. It's basically the same thing, except for you don't cut any of the wig cap off. You just put it on, and then you put some foundation that is your skin tone on the cap, and then I use a little bit of my Got To Be Glued spray, free spray, just so the cap wouldn't move. And I just put my wig on top, and this, I gotta get up on close for y'all. Check it. Okay, you can't. It's unclockable. Oh wait, it's unclockable because you can't find it. Don't even think, don't even act like you can see it, because I know you can't. You're legally blind, and I am too, and that's okay, because that's how we want to be when it comes to these closures. You're not supposed to be able to tell the line of demarcation. You're not supposed to be able to point that closure out right there. You can't point it out, and I'm ever so thankful that you can't point it out. Thank you. Okay, so when I first got this hair, the only thing that I washed was the closure. After I bleached the knots, I used my Shimmer shampoo, and that was pretty much it. Now, one thing I can say that is a con about this hair is that you have to keep it clean, because the moment that the hair starts getting dirty, any type of buildup, the hair is going to start to tangle. Now, when this hair is clean and nice and fresh and flowy, this hair is a dream. There's no problems with tangling. There are no problems with shedding. Now, it's been maybe like 3, 4, 5 days since I washed this hair, so it's pretty much still in good condition. But when I wore it for the whole week, when I first got the hair and I didn't wash the bundles, the hair was starting to tangle up on me in the nape of my neck, which did contribute to a little bit of shedding. So after I washed the wig, and I co-washed it, by the way, I co-washed it with Aussie's conditioner, Aussie Moist. And then after I did that, I noticed that the hair just really bounced back, like right back to normal. I really do not have problems with shedding. Like, I really don't. Like, now, when the hair was dirty and I have some tangles in the back of my neck, of course it is going to contribute to shedding. But even on the normal day when the hair is clean and flowy, even if the hair does get a few tangles, I can easily manage to get them out with my fingers. And on top of that, I don't have to worry about a trail of hair behind me wherever I go when I brush my hair, because this hair does not have crazy shedding. And I'm very thankful for that, because I mean, who really wants to have hair shedding wherever they go? I don't, and I would hope that nobody that's watching this review will like that either. But besides that, I did not bleach. I did not dye this hair, so this is the natural color of the hair, which is a 1B. I really wish I did dye this hair, because after that jet black hair, I kind of wish I dyed it. But maybe along the lines, I will go ahead and dye this hair again. But this is really just the full synopsis while I've been wearing this hair for the past 2 weeks. Each bundle was perfect. Like, you can get away with 3 bundles. I decided to do 4, and I doubled my first 22-inch bundle just so I can fit all of the hair onto the cap. So you don't have to go overboard and get 4 bundles of this hair unless you really want to. I love big hair, and I'd rather be safe than sorry when it comes to making my wigs, because I do have a big head. So I like to accommodate for my head size. But other than that, the ends of this hair are very nice. I've been flat ironing this hair, and I don't see any type of, you know, split ends of that sort. Now, I was trying to add some layers in this closure, and I messed up a little bit, but I stopped before it became too noticeable. So this little part right here, I don't know, I'm really not a pro when it comes to scissors. So luckily it blends in with the rest of the hair, because if it didn't, I would really be pissed, because this hair is really beautiful. And Monet, you did the damn thing when it came to finding this vendor, because honestly, truly, like, I really want to curl this hair to see how it's going to react and just how it's going to look on me. But other than that, like, I really don't have any major issues when it comes to this hair. The bundle size is very full. You can get away with 3 bundles. The closure was really nice. The closure bleached nice on the knots. It's not too thick. You can part it anywhere that you want, if you know, anywhere that you decide to. The bundles, very flowy. Like, this is literally all fingers. And I'm checking my fingers. No hair. None. Like, if I had some, you know, more stuff to say about this hair, I would, but I really don't. This hair is really bomb, and I definitely recommend it for those who are looking for some affordable Cambodian hair, because her prices are actually very affordable too. I will leave the prices for each bundle in the description box below, and you can also check out her Instagram. I will leave that down below as well, because I know a lot of people are really going to be interested. After seeing this, I've been wearing it here for 2 weeks. I've slept in this wig. It's only been washed once. My next wash day is going to be approaching very, very soon, just to make sure that I don't have to run into another incident with the hair starting to tangle up again and the nape of my neck because it's dirty. So really, that's my only con. Keep this hair clean and you really won't have any issues. Don't really try to use a lot of shampoo unless the buildup is just that bad. But for the most part, all I needed was my Aussie Moist conditioner to cleanse this hair. And besides that, that's pretty much it. This hair, I love it. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the description box below. I have more reviews coming for you guys, but make sure you check out the description box so you can check out all of the information and all of the specs before you ask a question, because it might be answered in there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.